Hey guys, I'm Dave Pangione, and this is my channel, Remodeling HQ. If you're interested in home remodeling, this is the place you want to be. I'm a third-generation builder. I've been on job sites for over 50 years. We have over 850 home remodeling videos, specializing in air levels, major home remodeling, all filmed on location in New Jersey. Now, I'm not putting down the other guys, but if you want to see real home remodeling, you need to watch this channel. It's very simple. Click on the like button, subscribe to our channel. And you will witness major home remodeling projects. We're going to be converting Cape Cods. We're going to be converting ranches. We're going to be converting split levels. Entire home remodeling projects filmed live in New Jersey. Hey guys, Dave Pangione, and let's take a look. We're on site right now. We're adding the forms. We are also fixing and redirecting the clean out, the waistline going out to the street. So let me turn the camera around. I'll show you where we're at. Okay, so we have the guys installing the footings, the forms. We have inspections set for tomorrow. So let's go over there and we'll take a look. And remember, we have just dug out the footings. We have a lot of dirt here. See the pile? We have our silt fence over there, and we had the plastic covering this for the last 2 days. But as we look around here, you can see the footings. We're going to be tying in here. We're going out 10 feet. We have our forms set. We have a number 4 rebar, half-inch rebar that goes around the perimeter. It's going to sit 3 inches off the ground. We're going to come around this bend right here, and again, we're going to tie in to the existing footing. What we're going to do is, once we pour these footings, we're going to raise the block up. We have 10-inch block coming. We're going to come up out of the ground. At least we're looking to come out of the ground about 14 inches, and from there our framing will start. In the middle here, once we level off, we're going to put a nice slab. We're going to have foam going around the perimeter and under the floor. And as we look over here, you can see the other section right here that we're adding for the side entry. So we're adding we're squaring off the back section of this house right here, and then I'll show you the waste pipe. All right, so let's take a look at the waste pipe that we just reconnected. We had it routed. It was originally routed from the street. It came under the sidewalk here, went around the house and into the back. Now what we did is we cut it off right down at that level. We had to excavate this whole area here. We had a camera underground that showed us where the pipe was, which you saw in a previous video. And now we have just connected in with our 6-inch. We have a long street Y going in, directing into the house. And then we also have our new clean out coming here, which will come out of which will be even with the paver sidewalk when we refinish down the road. But right now we have the clean out set. We have it reconnected going into the house, and let's go in the house and I'll show you what the new piping is looking like. All right, so as you can see, we're in the basement here, and we had the trench dug yesterday, and now we're starting to run our 4-inch PVC. We saw our connection outside just earlier. There's our connection into the 6-inch, and what's going to happen here is we're taking the new 4-inch, running it over here. There's going to be a backflow preventer, which is required, and that's going to come up, and it's going to actually sit under the cabinet that's going to be in this area here. We're going to run that, and we're going to connect in to the existing bathroom, and then we're also going to create a stack that's going to run up and pick up the 2 bathrooms above. And while we're here also, we have a transition that's going to pick up the sink that's down here. We're going to pipe that in, and all it's going to be brand new. And we'll get that inspected, and then we'll fill it in the next day or so. Okay, so here is the finished rough plumbing down in the area that we were discussing over the last day. And we trenched out yesterday. We just ran the 4-inch connected to the 6-inch. We have our 3-inch running up, and our vent. This is our water backflow preventer, which will be in the bottom of a cabinet. It's a little high, stubbed up high now, but it'll be below the floor. And you can see how nice everything came out. Now we are properly piped into the house. We have our proper vents. This will be our future vent, and tied in with we also put a clean out down here. But you can see how nice everything is now. And tomorrow we'll get the inspection. We'll backfill, and then we'll be done with this hidden issue that we had to come across. Now we just have this blocked up because it's an opening under the foundation. We don't want any animals to crawl in here at night. And that's it. Hey guys, it's Dave Pangione, and just want to recap on this week. So we started the demo, which was late last week. We demoed the whole inside of the house. We come to find out that there's no vent lines. We also have to install a backwater flow preventer, which is required by the town. But the thing is that this particular house has no vent pipes that are in the home. It's one direct sewer line going around from the street, around the house, into the basement, directly to the toilet. There's no vent lines, and that's very rare. So on a whim, we were able to get a camera crew in, insert it into the waistline, find out the direction of the piping. We were also able to cut open the floor in the basement, reconnect all new plumbing to the existing waistline. We cut all that out. This is all on a whim, and it all comes with experience. We were able to eliminate all different problems that could have happened with the design and the structure, and future problems. So the end result is this: we were able to tie into the sewer line, we were able to set up our forms, and the end result is this. Take a look at this. So this right here is the end result. We were able to get approved on the plumbing. We were able to get approved on the building. That right there shows you that we were able to compromise, we were able to adjust, and through working with my planners, my team, we were able to get this job, keep any holdups and prevent any holdups, and keep the job flowing. That's the most important thing. When you're dealing with construction, you have one issue and it can be a delay of weeks. We had 2 problems come up here, and we found a solution. We were able to keep going, and we were able to get the approvals from the town. So that's the most important thing when you're doing a construction project. Okay, so now what we have is we just had our inspections. So we're going to pull down all the plastic. We have the cement truck on hold pending the approval, which we just got. So now the cement truck's going to come in a couple hours. We're going to pour these footings, and today's Friday. Come Monday, we'll be ready to lay the block out, and we're going to backfill the pipe in the basement. We're going to fill in the foundation down there where we tunneled through, and once we have the block laid next week, we'll get a backfill inspection. By the end of next week, this whole backyard will be leveled off, and we'll have the slab poured, and then we'll be ready to start concentrating on the build on this home remodeling project. All right, you can see right now we have the trench backfilled, and all we have to do is add about 3 inches of concrete. And we're going to finish this section off first later on, but you can see how we still have the existing footing, which was taken out to allow access for the waistline. So we're going to fill that in when we're going to pour that with solid concrete as soon as we pour our footings, and then we'll level off that final area over there. Hey guys, I'm Dave Pangione. If you watched this video and you like what you see, click the thumbs up button. Thanks.